Hello, my name is Sir John Franklin. I was born in Spilsbury, Lincolnshire in 1786. I was the ninth out of 12 children born from a country gentleman. In my lifetime, I partook in many wars, including the Battle of Copenhagen and even the Napoleon Wars. Now on to the interesting stuff. The date was 1819, and I had just embarked on a trip down the Coppermine River to map out the far north of Canada. Unfortunately, I had lost 11 of my 20 men over the 3-year journey, and, well, there may have been a small amount of evidence relating to cannibalism. But moving on, in 1825 I left on my second grand expedition to the Canadian Arctic. I was attempting to sail down the mouth of the Mackenzie River, and on this expedition I decided I should probably bring a few more supplies than the previous expedition. I'm glad to say that the expedition was a grand success. In 1845, I departed on my Northwest Passage expedition, for which my mission was to map out the Northwest Passage. I chose to take the HMS Terror and the HMS Erebus on my voyage. I recruited a crew of 24 officers and 110 crew to man the ships of this great voyage. However, the expedition came to a standstill as both ships became trapped in the ice off the coast of Beechey Island. Unknown to me, however, was that the lead-sealed cans had poisoned our food supply, giving people severe lead poisoning, which slowly drove the crew insane, and then, combined with the cold and tuberculosis, meant that many of the crew succumbed to death and even cannibalism. Some say the names of the ships were a forewarning of the voyage, as Erebus is the Greek personification of darkness and the name given to the area between Hades and Earth. And so ended my final expedition of the Canadian North.